Photobucket is a registered trademark of Fox Interactive Media Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Fox Interactive Media Incorporated. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to make your albums private at Photobucket. If you want to come over and click on the Edit button beside your username here, if you do that, it's going to list your different albums that you have at Photobucket. If you click on where it says Public to the right of whichever folder you want to make private, just click there and come down and click on Private. It's going to prompt you for a password. I'm just going to put in ABC123, and I'm going to click Save, and that's going to make that birthday folder private, and you'll see it says Private beside there, so that if somebody wants to view the contents of that album, they're going to have to know the password, and when you put your cursor over that birthday, it's going to have a little lock denoting that it's private. Now if you want to make your entire Photobucket account private, you can come up to Account Options up here at the top right, and if you scroll down, it's going to say Edit My Album Settings. If you click there, and it's going to say My Album Is, by default it's going to be public. If you click there, you can change that to private, and you're going to need to set a password here as well. So if you click in here, I'm going to set that to the same password, ABC123, and when I click Save, that's going to make my entire album private, so that nobody can look at any of the contents within unless they know my password of ABC123. So that's how you change the privacy settings on your albums at photobucket.com.